one there is Tick. He is gone. I mean, he's already assigned to someone else. Next to him is, well, on the ground is Ernestine. She is also gone. Tiny Tim there. Then there's Red. This one is Red. This one here is, well, as you can see, they're all fairly rowdy. There's Hammer. This one he's been calling Mask. And there's Tigger. Mask. Hammer. And then this one is Red. And there's Tiny Tim. What? What? No way. No way. Let's see. There's Tiny Tim. And back there, let's see, we have Tigger or George. We have Hammer, who's up and playing. And asleep, we have Tack and Shadow. Though I think they're just tired. That's not their usual personality. This is more their usual personality here. Try not to make you seasick. Well, I guess playtime's over for now. There's Red taking care of his sister.